Just remember, cutting or plucking of the grey hair has got no relation with the graying of the hair, because graying of the hair is the process which happens inside the root and not into the hair shaft. Hello, I am Dr. Vinay Koparkar, founder Papillon Hair World. I am a doctor by profession and treating hair related problems for more than 30 years. I have treated more than 10,000 patients so far. I get patients mainly for three reasons. One is a hair loss, another is a dandruff, and the third most important is graying of the hair. What I have realized is there are tremendous misconceptions about graying of the hair. Mainly about two things. One is reasons for graying of the hair, and there are n number of myths about graying of the hair. So today I will be talking to you about different myths related with graying of the hair. The first and commonest is, if you pull one grey hair out, it leads to further graying. I have seen there are n number of people who say if I plug one grey hair, it gives rise to two grey hair from inside. Just remember, cutting or plucking of the grey hair has got no relation with the graying of the hair, because graying of the hair is the process which happens inside the root and not into the hair shaft. Another commonest myth regarding graying of the hair is application of a dye or a hair color leads to further graying of the hair. Always remember, the color gives the external coating to the shaft of the hair. It never pierces the cuticle layer to work onto the shaft anyway. And another most important thing is, graying of the hair is not the process which happens into the hair strand, but it happens deep inside the root of the hair, and it happens because of the changes into the melanin production out of melanocyte. So coloring of the grey hair using black colors or using colors like L'Oreal or Vela has got no relation of getting more and more grey hair. It is a myth. The third most important is using wrong shampoos, using wrong conditioners, using wrong products to the hair, and more importantly using of a bore water. Once again, I would like to tell you, it is not an external process. Graying of the hair is not an external process. It happens deep inside the root. So these external factors are not going to affect any graying of the hair. It has got no relation at all. Most important, many young boys, they come back again and they ask me in a silent voice, does masturbation or frequent sex can cause graying of the hair? Please remember, masturbation or graying of the hair has got no relation not only with the grey hair, but it has got no relation with the dandruff as well as with the hair loss. So please, there is no correlation between masturbation and graying of the hair. Another commonest myth regarding the reason for the graying of the hair is dandruff. Once again remember, dandruff is a condition of the excessive dryness of the scalp, and graying of the hair is a condition which happens deep inside the root because of the changes into the melanocytes. So remember, dandruff has got no relation with the graying of the hair. And now there is one interesting myth about the treatment of the graying of the hair. Many, almost I can say 50% people ask me, if I do the Shirshasana, means head down and the legs up, if I do a Shirshasana, is it going to give me conversion of a grey hair into the black hair? Remember, there is no such relation. It certainly increases the blood circulation, but it has got no relation in converting grey hair into black hair. For that matter, be honest, once you get a grey hair, there is a very less chance that because of any treatment you can get that grey hair into black hair. So remember, all whatever I have discussed so far, all are the myths, and they have got no relation either with the graying of the hair or relation with the treatment of the hair, graying of the hair. I hope you must have got clear idea about what are different myths. If you have got any further questions related with graying of the hair, you please ask below. and if you are liking these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.